Has had a refreshing second quarter and is already smacking its lips for more. Poornima, Murali and Arundathi Ramanan get to the recipe.
Beer. It may have been around for years, but the Indian beer industry is still in its infancy. And United Breweries, one of the oldest players in the market, is smacking its lips when it comes to growth prospects. Analysts say beer volumes are expected to grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 5 to 6% going forward, and United Breweries says it is confident it will continue to hold a lion's share of this expanding market.
We have about 50% share, and if you look at our performance over the last few years, we've always been in and around 50%. So that's a very strong position to be in. And our objective has always been to maintain our strong position in the market.
For United Breweries, the second quarter of FY16 has been a good one. Revenue jumped 4.3%, pushing net profit higher by 13%. The festival season, which is now upon us, is expected to give these growth figures a big shot in the arm, propelling UB's third quarter growth higher than the industry average of 12%.
We are hopeful that the industry climate would be better in Q3. First half was slow, the industry was flat. And we are hopeful that with the festive season setting in and overall economic climate in the country improving, that there will be modest growth in the industry. And so we're looking forward to that. As UB, we are always very confident that we will grow ahead of the industry.
But with this confidence comes the admission that not everything is hunky-dory for the beer industry. United Breweries says taxation is one of the biggest concerns for the sector, and this will get worse once goods and services tax becomes reality.
The way GST bill has been formulated right now, it actually is very bad for the alcohol and the beer industry. We are working with various stakeholders, which are the central government, the finance ministries, the state excise, state finance ministers. We are finding the going a little tough. Whilst GST will be a game changer for the Indian economy, for us it's a matter of worry.
But that's a worry for the future. For now, United Breweries is keen on expanding its presence. To this end, it has plans to acquire breweries and expanding capacity at its existing 21 breweries. Its licensing contracts with 8 breweries will also help in this expansion. And while there have been reports that Heineken wants to increase its stake in UBL, the management insists there is no truth to it. With Poornima, Murali in Bengaluru, in Mumbai, Arundathi, Ramanan.